Let me show you how to make this easy and delicious stir-fried pasta. We will start by parboiling the pasta, add some water in a pot, add enough salt to taste, then allow this to boil a bit, then add your pasta into the water. Give this a gentle stir, cover it up and allow this to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. When the pasta is soft, get it out of the fire and drain out the water. So in a blender, we are going to blend our peppers. For the pepper mix, I'm using red bell pepper, green onions, habanero pepper, red onions, and some rosemary. I'll go ahead to roughly blend this together. Now in a pan, add some vegetable oil. Allow this heat up a bit, then add in the pepper mix. I'll give this a gentle stir and add in my beef seasoning cube. Stir this together and leave this to fry till the water in the pepper mix gets dried. After the sauce is well fried and the water in the pepper has gotten dried, now transfer in the parboiled pasta into the pepper mixture. I'll give this a gentle stir till everything is well combined together. After everything is well combined, you can taste for salt and add salt if necessary. I will allow this heat up for a few minutes and after that the pasta is ready. It came out looking good and tasted very delicious. Let me know what you think about this easy recipe in the comment section. Please like this video and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching.